Welcome to Miss Jess Adventures. Today we are going to be checking on the leak that I did. I did a repair on my roof and it held. I mean, it held good, especially because I did it the day before. So like this video's like more about like leaks right when you have a storm coming and you realize that you have a leak, you know? So it happens. It happens to the best of us. So somebody's here. Oh, someone's leaving. Okay. Anyways, so I want to show you and Happy New Year, because I believe that this video hopefully I have this out before New Year. I don't have that much content right now. I'm kind of stationed where I'm at, and I was gonna go to the snow today, but I'm sick. I've been sick all Christmas. I didn't get to do my lobster feast that was supposed to be this video. And yeah, but I worked with the chickens and duck the other day, and I told myself over and over again when I was working with them to wash my hands, because I was getting into it, you know, like really working on it. So that's my only conclusion, because like nobody else got sick where I ate. They're all doing good, but I threw up that night, and my tummy has just not been right. And then now I'm having to go, I need to be by my toilet. Like that's just the number one. And I'm going on my roof. That kind of scares me. No, it hasn't been that bad. I would take medicine if it was that bad, some Imodium AD. But I do want to show you, I have all these blankets up. Yeah, but this is for control of heat. So, and to make my place cool. So it's a temperature control thing that you do in RVs and homes too. You can put your blankets up there. They're the best installation. These are real heavy. These aren't light blankets. So I bought them for a yoga studio that I used to have. So I'm a yoga instructor also. But I like to do my yoga on my own. I do yoga all day long, and I do it in bed. So while I'm sleeping. I don't mean I do it all day long in my bed. I do all day long, like anywhere I'm sitting, while I'm walking. I am paying attention to literally every step that I take, because I've injured myself so many times. So, and then when I sleep, I make sure that I sleep on my left side, mostly for digestion. You need that. And like it helps other organs too. You're not putting so much pressure on them. And then for alignment, I turn right on my right side, and I get some of my right, because you got to think about it. You're doing like a yoga pose literally for like 4 hours, sometimes 8 if you don't switch, you know. So because every pose, like even laying down is a pose technically, especially if you just think about it before you fall asleep. You could get on the right hip. I didn't mean to make this all about my yoga. But why not throw it in? I really should. I've always wanted to do a yoga channel, like my yoga and Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the health system of yoga, and yoga is a philosophy, and asana is the actual movement of yoga. So there's a lot to learn with it. So anyways, yeah, just being in line with your whole body can make your body in better occupation. It could work better. So anyways, let's go back here and see where this leak is. I'll show you what happened. Yeah, let's go back here. That's what I got from my daughter from Christmas. The best Christmas gift ever. Hi, Mama Kitty. Okay, so I had to put all my snow boots back. This is where I store my boots, but they had to go for a while till I fixed this leak, but it's been pretty good. Don't look like it's a present for somebody. I haven't been able to deliver any of my presents. Yes, I had to order more masks. It's such a cool book. I have really cool books. That's just a small amount of them. But look at this, is a great one. This is my friend Rachel's. Raquel, I need to give this back to you. You've let me borrow this now for a good 10 years. So this is a reminder. Let me know. Here, I'll put it over here even. Away from the leak area at least. Well, it's not even getting over there. So it always says like a puddle right there. And here's the rusted screw area that came out that I really like. Went, oh my gosh. And recently got really scared actually, because I opened it and there was so much condensation right here and mold starting, but it was a white mold and it was all along the rim. But I of course cleaned it all, and I shut these because otherwise it's super cold These bring a lot of heat and cold, and if you don't have those, and I wouldn't mind doing darker curtains because, but that's another job in itself. All right, Rach, the book is right here for me to remember. Remember. This is a ginger plant, but man, it almost died. This is the cat area, if you cannot tell. I got my extra mason jars and my storage, just mostly all my extra camera gear and maps. Whew. Okay, let's go out and do this. I got a vacuum today because it's been raining and I've been having my niece over and we have been getting this place dirty. So, but I want to go get this caulking done first. My poor neighbor, sorry about the barking. Arrow, come here, come here. It's time to meet YouTube. You haven't met YouTube, Arrow. Arrow, come here. Come here, meet YouTube. Hi, I'm Arrow. Arrow. He's so silly. He misses his daddy already. His little girl. Huh, he knows something's going on. Everybody left. They left us, huh, for a whole week. Huh, those crazies. Those are acting funny. They're all sitting on the vehicle trailer. All right, my caulk is ready. I poke it like usually with a nail. So yeah, think about doing the plunge, but first going to dump it out, of course. And that's a lot of water too. It's a 70-gallon. That's pretty damn heavy. Clean it and then refill it, and hopefully it gets cold enough. Because it's been like getting so cold here that that's completely iced over in the morning. So I don't know. Never really done one like that. Like the Hasselhoff way or something like that. Okay, anyways, let's go up. With the motorhome is you have to like figure out how to, especially if you're filming, you're being crazy like me. Oh, some of that caulk, oh, it fell out my tire cover. My spare tire cover. So I should probably, I need to tape these down. So like heavy winds, we've had like 50-mile-an-hour winds, gusts, like huge, big time. So then I think I'm gonna take some, I got some great duct tape. Coming down here and just tape the edges of them. I'll video it, it'll be kind of cool. I always wear my Christmas leggings during Christmas time. All right, let's see what we got going here. All right, update. She didn't heal that nicely, did she? I've been up here a couple times to check her out. I'm gonna put some more caulk there. Run it all the way down to there, why not? Right? If there's any spots over here. Oh, look at that spot right there. You see that spot? Look. Let's see if I can drag you in. Look at it, because I'm not even gonna be able to get to that today. There's no way. I don't know if you can see it. It's like right there. It's not that focus. Nice apple. Anyways. Okay, so, but I think I see my culprit here. I saw it the other day. Take off my glasses because I can't see anything with my glasses up close. I just saw it. Oh, I think there's a hole there. I don't know. There. Right there's a hole. And here. So we're gonna go all along here is the plan. Oh, I think I just got caulk on my shoulder. Did I? No, just barely touched it. Okay, and I'm gonna run just another one of this. Dang, this silicone caulk actually is a lot different than the last silicone I used. I noticed there was a little lip right here from below. I might actually, yeah, see like that little right there. Yeah, we're gonna put some caulk right there. Yeah, definitely. Okay, here we go. Oh, now I'm recording. So I just put the caulk on. I thought I was recording, sorry. Here it is. It's a bummer too, because it was actually really good footage. Anyways, okay, let's go ahead and wipe her down. I'm gonna put some right there too. Oh God, I probably shouldn't be doing this through the camera. I'm like doing it right now through the camera. Okay, anyways. If I don't, sometimes I get really bad footage. I don't know how you do your caulk. This is how I've done it my whole life. Done a lot with caulking. But I could be doing it wrong. If I am doing it wrong, go ahead and comment. I don't mind that kind of. Don't be mean about it. I am, I guess I'll do an update on my hate update also. And yeah, if you do anything weird to me on YouTube or even on any of my social platforms, I'm gonna have to not have you be part of my channel because it really affects me in a way, and I haven't had much hate on my channel, which I'm really grateful for. A couple things for things I did say on one of my viral videos that I did say hillbilly, and I do apologize for that. And Hobo put them together, and but they looked like hillbillies, but I was in a place called Hobo Camp. So that's kind of how that like happened together. And I don't feel like carrying this down. See, the caulk is just coming out that way. I'm done. I'm just gonna drop it. I don't think it'll break it. That's how I get my tools down. I'm not gonna do that with my phone, but let's just make sure it's everywhere. So this should cancel out that. Okay. This stuff is silicone. This one I get, that one, man, it dries super fast. But everyone says not to use silicone, so. All right, I'm gonna come back up here now and I'm gonna tape these babies. I'm gonna keep you up here because that'll make me come back up here and do this. And I won't worry about them. Okay. So these are the Harbor Freight 25 watts each. They've been great. I've had them for about, goodness, 4 or 5 years. Great addition to my life. I've used them all sorts of places, just camping before. I had a trailer, so I lived in this motorhome for about right before COVID. I moved into this one. Otherwise, I lived in my little trailer. Anyways, and these were my main source of power if I wasn't parked on somebody's, power. Get all these leaves away. I'll be right back. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. Anyways, okay. I don't want to bolt these down either. And I think I'm going to put something under them, like some wood or something under them. But this wouldn't catch on fire. This is aluminum or something I have on my top of my roof. So, interesting. Because these get so hot. I just saw like a RV on YouTube that somebody had their panels on the roof. It wasn't this brand, of course. Especially a lot of people don't use this brand. And it got so hot that it caught on fire. Which just made me think. Now, if there's leaves underneath this thing in the summertime, these leaves could catch on fire. And then it could spread to your awning and catch. That is for sure. So I'm just gonna do a temporary. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I don't know how yet. Oh no, one of the kids is still here. That was supposed to go to the mountains. So yeah, these things have been pretty beat up, but somehow they still work. And they do good. They really charge my battery good. I only have one deep cell. I have 3 actually, but I only use 1. I only use it for my water pump and my ignition on my stuff. It ignites things like my my water heater. What else? Oh, it's so pretty today. I'll show you the view here. It's so pretty. So these are just, of course, this is just a temporary. Oh, this tape is so sticky. Okay. Especially because I'm going to come up here and make sure that these leaves are under here in the summertime. Here it gets about 100 and, if I'm still here. I don't really know what I'm doing at the moment. I like it here, but I'm starting to get a little antsy. But I don't, this is a good gig. I love my view. The view is just amazing. This area that I'm at should be a national forest, but this man that owns it over here, kind of crazy. There's a lot of properties like that though. This though is pretty amazing up back there. What am I doing? I'm just gonna put it like this. One of these little blue lights are working. It's working. Each one of my panels though is pretty beat up. I have one more. I had to throw away one because the pig really stepped on it good. It was destroyed. It was shattered. And I thought, oh God, I think I just watched that video about that solar panel catching on fire, and I was like, oh my God, I don't even want to like forget about these. And I don't think this would catch on fire, but you never know. I guess it gets pretty hot, you'd think, because they're black. So I want some flushing or something between it. I think that would be safer. Comment if that is a safer idea to have some type of flashing behind it. I would like to learn. Look how small my trough looks. Let's go throw this down. See, no point to carry this in my hand. And I can just throw it down and make sure I know where it goes. I do like that duct tape. Oh, mistletoe. Look at that big old chunk of it right there. See it right there? Right there. Mistletoe. All right, peace out. Peace, love, and happiness. More love and light. I am getting the vacuuming done now. Okay. I'm gonna get hot, so I have my Uggs on, and I have my leg warmers, and I'm doubled. And this is a little product review on these little dirt doubles, man. This has been the best. How do I turn it on though? I forgot. Hard to keep down. I was like thinking about getting rid of it. Get rid of it, but I didn't feel like throwing up again. I didn't have that much food yesterday, so that's probably the issue. Okay. Move everything to get under everything. That's the funnest part about being in a motorhome. So there's a little area to work with everywhere. Well, my niece is coming back. The kids are coming right back over. So no, I don't think so. Not too much this week, thinking about it. All right. So if you could tell, I ripped out my normal, all my, this used to be the dining area, and then this was the own couch, but I've ripped it out and made my own. Ooh, see, it needs to be moved up a little bit. Let me change out the whole blanket. Woohoo! I just wanted to finish my video off with showing you that I did vacuum my place. See you next time, y'all. Happy New Year's. It'll be a New Year's video, that's for sure.